I am so excited to visit Italy for the very first time, and I'm planning on going for a month during September. So for this trip, I've chosen to pack a capsule wardrobe, primarily in neutral colors like beiges and whites. This is just my personal style and preference, but all my life I've always been drawn to these tones, and this is why. The first is versatility. The main reason why I love neutral colors so much is they're so easy to mix and match. So this allows me to create numerous outfits from just a few pieces. And I find that this type of versatility is essential for long periods of travel. The second is aesthetic appeal. In my opinion, neutral colors are timeless and elegant, fitting seamlessly into the picturesque settings of Italy. So if you're into aesthetics, then the combination of these neutral tones and scenes are perfect. And the third is practicality. I find that neutrals don't wear as quickly in comparison to vibrant colors, which is ideal for traveling when you may need to wear items multiple times between washes. So I purposely chose about 6 tops, 5 bottoms, 3 to 4 pairs of shoes, and 2 bags. So this is a total of around 16 to 17 items, which for me is not a lot. Some of you may be able to pack a lot less than that, but for somebody who used to pack really excessively, this is little, especially for 30 days. So I'm going to show you guys some of my outfit combinations of these pieces. Let's start off with the strapless top. So I love tube tops so much, but a huge issue that I find with them is that they tend to slip very easily. However, I found this particular one from Aritzia, and it's actually fairly slip resistant. This top is comfortable, form-fitting, and goes with virtually any neutral bottom that can be dressed up or down just by simply changing the shoes or bags. I highly suggest incorporating linen pieces to your wardrobe, especially if you're going to be visiting countries with warmer temperatures. Not only is linen highly durable, breathable, and lightweight, but it has moisture wicking properties, which makes it best for traveling where clothing may need frequent washing. And lastly, it's just a very versatile piece. Here I have a total of 4 items that are linen. The first 2 are these collared button-up blouses. One is a short sleeve and the other is a long sleeve. As stated earlier, I love how versatile these are because you can style them in different but simple ways. You can either leave them open with like a tank top or a bralette peeking through. You can button it up, adjust the sleeves, and my ultimate favorite is to tie them up to give a more cropped look. And if you prefer the tied up cropped look, I recommend sizing up. The next essential top that I'm going to bring is a basic white tee. This one is more flattering and form-fitting, but if you feel more comfortable in a baggier fit, then by all means bring that one instead. I just think any white tee is perfect to pair with any neutral bottom for a more casual look. The next 2 tops are dressier for fancier occasions during the trip. This first one is very airy and lightweight, and it's called the Frenchie blouse from Aritzia, and I'm in love with it. It's a little see-through, but that is the style, but I just think it looks so elegant. So I chose this beige color because I thought it would easily match with all of my neutral bottoms, but now that I'm thinking about it, I think buying the white color would have been better just because I think it adds a better contrast with the bottoms, but either way, this beige color is still beautiful. Next is this corset top. This is ideal for fancier outings like dinner nights, going to a club, event, etc. It goes beautifully with a lot of these bottoms. And since I'll be going in September, I think it's important to also pack like a light jacket or blazer for the cooler nights. It looks like the weather can go as low as 16 degrees, so I think a blazer like this would work. I personally like the oversized look. Some of you might not, but I just like the flowiness of this blazer, and I think the white color gives a great contrast with the rest of the neutral pieces. Other alternate jackets that I think would look best with a neutral wardrobe like this are denim jackets or even leather jackets. Before I get started on the bottoms, I just want to point out that I'm a huge fan of skirts, particularly long skirts. So a lot of the items I'm going to mention are mostly skirts. I am a huge fan of the skirt. I think this is probably the best skirt I've ever purchased in my life. And I'm not just saying that because I love Aritzia, because it's another Aritzia piece. I love it because it's so weightless and it just looks so stylish and beautiful. And one of the reasons why I love it so much is because it feels so comfortable. I've been raving about this skirt on Instagram to my friends, so I highly recommend this skirt. But as you can see, it goes really well with all of the tops. And another reason why I love it so much is because it's so easy to dress it up or down depending on the bag and shoe that you choose. This next skirt is pretty similar. Its silhouette is kind of the same. It just kind of flares out a little more, but the main difference is that the skirt is 100% linen. It does feel thicker, but because it's linen, it should still be able to cool you off during the warmer weather. I love it because it has pockets. There's not that many skirts out there that have pockets, surprisingly. So to change it up, I thought it would be nice to add a form-fitting skirt to the mix. This one is from the brand Femme, and it's probably one of the most durable skirts that I own. This material is thicker than the last two skirts, but I think I would most likely wear this during the cooler weather, like during the evening and nighttime. Next is this pant called the Linen Lodge Pant from Aritzia. I actually didn't mean to get this color. I initially wanted the Ekouaer color just because I thought it matched better with my current neutral wardrobe, but it was sadly sold out at the time, so I opted for this one. And honestly, I did grow to really like this particular color. I love these pants because they're durable, also very comfortable, and of course breathable. And I love that this can also be dressed up and down depending on the accessories that you choose. Finally, I wanted to add in a comfy trouser. So normally, I would throw in one of my many Aritzia trousers, like the Effortless pant, for example, but I unfortunately don't fit in them anymore. For those who are following along my fitness journey, I've been gaining weight like every week on purpose because I want to build more muscle, but that unfortunately means that a lot of my old clothing won't fit. So instead, I decided to throw in these thrifted trousers, and I picked them because they're comfortable, don't feel heavy, and they go with all the tops shown in this video. All right, guys, just before we jump back into my Italy outfit essentials, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsors for this video, Ekouaer and Zeagoo. These are a couple of great brands from Amazon that have sent over some pieces that are perfect for any travel wardrobe. Although these items arrived after I filmed most of this video, they're just too good not to share with you. First up, we have this gorgeous two-piece lounge set from Ekouaer. Now, this is technically pajamas, but the quality and style just scream versatility. With its knit cap sleeve top and wide leg pants, this set is something I'd wear not just for lounging, but also out and about. The material honestly feels very high quality, and the neutral color fits seamlessly with everything in my travel wardrobe. Next, we have these airy and comfortable wide leg lounge pants. Perfect for those who love a flowy silhouette, these pants are a staple for any neutral wardrobe. However, please note that they're quite long, so for my fellow petites out there, they might be better suited for those over 5'5". These wide leg lounge pants also feature a practical drawstring and an elastic waistband, which not only ensures a perfect fit, but also adds to their versatility. The adjustable waist allows for maximum comfort without sacrificing style. And lastly, this off-shoulder crochet V-neck knit pullover from Zeagoo. I chose this striped apricot color because it adds just the right amount of print to my collection while maintaining that neutral vibe. It's incredibly soft and just the right layer for those cooler evenings in Italy or transitioning into fall. So I decided to size up for a more relaxed, baggy look, and this makes it ideal for layering or wearing on its own on those breezy evenings. So if you're looking for versatile, comfortable, and stylish options that can elevate your travel wardrobe, definitely check these pieces out from Ekouaer and Zeagoo. I'll link all items and my size info down in the description box below. Now, back to the video. Finally, last but certainly not least, the accessories. So the accessories are really important because they dictate whether or not your outfit will look dressy or casual. So I of course picked all neutral accessories to complement my wardrobe, but I strategically chose 2 to 3 pairs of shoes and only 2 bags. So it's ideal to pick a combination of dressy and casual footwear to complement different looks. One shoe that I'm bringing for sure, hands down, are these comfortable pointed cream colored shoes from the brand TIJN. They have a slight heel, but they're essentially flats. And because they're flats, it could be viewed as a casual shoe, but because of the pointed design as well as the material, the overall look can also look dressy. So these shoes kind of fit in the casual and dressy category. So the choice of bag is what's going to dictate whether this will be a casual or dressy look. A casual shoe I recommend is obviously sneakers, ideally a white pair, like all white Vans, Converse, etc. But for the purpose of this video, I thought a lot of these outfits looked better with the flats. And for a more dressy choice, I highly recommend loafers, like neutral colored loafers, or even low-heeled shoes. I'm personally not a huge fan of super high heels, but if you do want to look extra dressy, then definitely bring 1 pair of those. But if you are keen in staying comfortable throughout the entire trip, but still want your outfit to look a little elevated, then low heels are best. And as mentioned earlier, I'm only bringing 2 bags. For everyday/casual or even dressy looks, I think a bag like this works best. Just like the pointed cream colored flats, I find that this particular bag is very versatile for both dressy and casual occasions. So any bag that has a durable and somewhat shiny finish, like leather or fake leather, will work. For casual outfits, I think tote bags are a great option. I just think they're the most functional and practical bag to bring on trips like these. So those are all the items that I'm going to pack for my trip to Italy, and I'll definitely be vlogging my full experience there. If you enjoyed this video or found this helpful in any way, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.